You've seen them hundreds of times, on rooftops, in parks, on tree branches. But almost no one realizes that the crow is one of the smartest and most important birds on the planet. If crows disappeared tomorrow, the world would change faster than you think, and not for the better. Crows have lived alongside humans for thousands of years, but their role in nature is massively underestimated. Today we'll break down 10 ecosystem functions and 10 unusual facts that reveal why this bird is a true phenomenon. 10 functions of crows in nature. Number 1. Nature's sanitation crew. Crows remove carcasses faster than any other bird. Without them, dead animals would decompose longer, spreading parasites and disease. Number 2. Defenders against epidemics. They eat dead rodents, birds, small animals. This breaks potential infection chains before they reach humans. 3. Control of rodent populations. Crows hunt mice, rats, voles. Without this pressure, rodent numbers would skyrocket, and farms would suffer first. 4. Balancing other birds. Crows keep pigeons, jackdaws, gulls from turning cities into chaos. They regulate the hierarchy around them. Number 5. Seed spreaders. By bearing food for later, crows accidentally plant new trees, especially hazel and conifers. 6. Cleaning water ecosystems. They pick up dead fish and leftover scraps along riverbanks and lakes. This reduces water pollution and helps prevent algae blooms. 7. Natural detox agents. Crows destroy parasite eggs, insect larvae, and organic waste. They literally clean the environment. 8. Formation of intelligent flocks. Crow groups act like a collective mind. They track predators and warn other animals about danger. 9. Supporting predators. Wolverines, foxes, owls, eagles. Many predators rely on crows to find food, carcasses, and danger zones. 10. Ecological warning system. If crows suddenly abandon an area, it usually means toxins, disease outbreaks, or rapid habitat changes. 10 unusual facts about crows. Your Honor, 101. Intelligence comparable to a 7-year-old child. They plan, solve puzzles, make tools, and recognize human faces. 2. They hold grudges for years. If you offend a crow, it remembers your face and warns the entire flock. 3. They identify people by gait. Even if you change clothes, the crow will still recognize you by how you move. 4. They solve multi-step puzzles. Experiments show crows understand cause and effect and can use several tools in sequence. 5. They conduct funerals. When a crow dies, the flock gathers. They examine the body, analyze threats, and only then fly off. 6. They can count to 5. Crows distinguish quantities, especially when food is involved. 7. They have regional dialects. Different crow populations speak differently, and they can quickly learn new calls. 8. They use cars as tools. Some crows drop nuts on the road and wait for cars to crack them open. 9. They create chaos just for fun. They tease dogs, steal small objects, hide things, and play practical jokes. 10. They pass knowledge to the next generation. Older crows teach the young how to find food, avoid dangerous places, and recognize humans. Conclusion. The crow is one of the most underrated architects of nature. It cleans cities, protects forests, breaks disease cycles, and helps other species survive. It's one of the smartest allies humans have. If this video brought you value, support the channel. Subscribe and tell me in the comments which animal to cover next.